If your S-Class is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, the fix is usually a simple settings reset or a specific cable swap. Statistics show that over 60% of connection drops in luxury infotainment systems stem from low-quality charging cables. Before you head to the dealership, let's run through the diagnostic checklist to find the root cause. Start by performing a soft reset of the MBUX system and ensuring your iPhone permissions are correctly configured. Common software hurdles include disabled Siri settings or active screen time restrictions that block the CarPlay handshake. Don't overlook physical issues like pocket lint in your phone's port or using a charging-only USB outlet in the car. Newer S-Class models support wireless CarPlay, which introduces different challenges like signal interference from other devices. Replacing your cable is the most successful fix, solving nearly half of all reported S-Class connectivity complaints. If all else fails, a network reset on your iPhone can clear the persistent cache that prevents a clean handshake. Keep a certified cable and a can of compressed air in your glove box to handle port debris on the go. Remember that software compatibility requires both your Mercedes firmware and your iOS version to be synchronized. Most CarPlay issues are fixed in minutes. If these steps helped you, hit subscribe for more S-Class troubleshooting.